stock, crypto, credit moves. Good evening, YouTube. Back for another update on baked beans. And I have finally crossed over the billion mark. It was a little challenging midway through. What helped my process faster was the referrals. Thanks, guys, for the referrals. That definitely sped the process up. But anybody can do this with the right strategies. So it took me really about a month really to get to a billion. Just a lot of rebaking and referrals. I was actually motivated to start a YouTube channel to grow this account. So what I'm going to do, since I've actually reached a billion, I'm going to see exactly what this creates over the next day or two. And I'll probably eat, just take some out for me, or just take some out to put in another project. So that's where my mind is at. But I'm thinking it's going to be around $1,100 a day. That's what I'm thinking. So we'll just see. Have to continue to monitor this contract balance. As long as it continues to rise, then we're good. Like, I think a lot of people, they're stressing out over things that we can't control. They say 8% a day, but if you go in the Telegram group, they are not. It is not 8% a day. I've been getting about 6% a day, and some people are complaining, saying that they're not. Everyone's not getting the same. But I'm gonna attach a YouTuber in this video. He actually breaks down how the contract is actually designed. So you guys have to actually put in a little time to understand the way the contracts are actually designed. You're going to get less beans as these contracts go up. But some people feel like you should be eating more now because it's rising. I can't make that decision. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see exactly what this is actually creating on a daily basis. And then I'll figure out whether I want to stick to 6 to 1 or do I want to drop back to 5 to 2. So it's your individual choice. But this should at least create around 2.5 BNB a day. I'm thinking somewhere around there. So that's about $1,100. So we'll go from there, guys. But I finally made it to the billion. So we'll see. We'll continue to document this journey, and I'll be doing some live results here in the next few days. Lord willing, everything continues to move, but baked beans is definitely a winner. It's the king. It's the king right now. A lot of different platforms are coming out trying to emulate baked beans, but there's not one that's even close. This thing has blown everything out the water. I've never seen a contract go this high. 35,000, almost 35,000 BNB. So today, a lot of whales, I believe, were eating, so it kind of slowed the process down. Some people are frustrated, but hell, start a YouTube channel. You know, put your referral link up. See if you can get some of this referral money. You have to do something to grow your account. If you can't afford to put any more money in, then you have to start a channel, find a way to get some rewards or something to speed the process up. But everything is moving along pretty well. There's a lot of meat on this contract, so this thing is going to be around for a while. But I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just sharing my journey. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Until next time, let's see how much this makes us.